guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another sit down video. I'm so excited to post so many more regular, fun and helpful videos for you guys. But for today's video, if you haven't read the title already, I'm going to be talking about various skincare tips and tricks and hacks and products that I've been using lately for good, healthy, bright, clear, glowing skin. Now I realized I'm really into skincare right now. I've been doing so many things. I have a stable skincare routine. I'm very happy with how my skin looks, and also because अब summers आ रहे हैं मतलब more pollution, more dust, more grime, more sweat, all of that just means more breakouts and clogged pores. I thought now would be the perfect time to make this video, to sit down and talk to you guys about different things which will help you get a better and healthier and clearer skin. That's the name everyone has, I know, but before I start with the video, I just want to clarify that I'm not a certified dermatologist. I'm just an 18-year-old girl who has things that has helped her and things that have worked for her that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. If you have really chronic acne, if you have hyperpigmentation or anything that you know, just products and tips and DIYs can't help you, please go to a dermat. I'm not a certified dermat, and things that work for me might not work for you, so always do a patch test before you use anything that I suggest you guys do. So with all that being said, let's now quickly get into the video. Alright, so I have a little jot pad here with all the tips that I have listed for you guys and different products and everything basically listed here which I'm going to share with you guys. The first tip being, please know what your skin needs. It's very important for you to know whether you need hydration, acne control or oil control or moisture. Whatever you need to understand what your skin type is and what your skin needs. Accordingly, you can go and buy more products. You can buy suitable products and not just buy like 5 products like that might not even help your skin. So please know what your skin needs, which also gets me to the products. My tip 2 for you guys would be, please invest in simpler and more natural products. Lately I've been trying to use and totally go paraben free in my skincare and use as less products as I can, and that's really been helping me. Pehle I used to use like 15 products on my skin. I used to keep experimenting. There was no stable routine in my skincare, and that really aggravated and irritated my skin. So more the products, more the complex products, ज़्यादा आपका skin irritate होगा. इससे अच्छा use as simple, as natural and as less products as you can. So make sure you know what your skin needs and you use products accordingly, और जो जितने simple हो उतना better है. Third, always use CTM. So what is CTM? CTM is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and I have 2 different types of CTM that I use. One is in the daytime and one is in the night time with different products. For the day, I just use a normal facial cleanser. The one that I've been loving is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash. This really helps me with my oil control and my acne control. I have hormonal breakouts here and there, so to get rid of those, I love this. If I don't use this, I use the Himalaya Neem and Tulsi Face Wash. One thing that's common between the two is Neem, and I love this more because this is paraben and silicone free, so it's more natural and more easy on the skin, so it does not irritate my skin at all. Next comes toning. So the one that I've been using, the one that I always rant about is the Mario Badescu facial spray. पर अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है क्योंकि इंडिया में नहीं मिलता है, and if you just don't want to buy extra products and you want to go more natural, you can use 2 DIYs. One is an apple cider vinegar toner. If you have oily, acne prone skin, apple cider toner for you would be the best option ever. All you need to do is take इतना सा पानी और उससे आधा apple cider vinegar, and I have the exact recipe and measurements down below. Just use that, mix it and spritz it on your face and use it as a toner, and you see so many differences. Apple cider vinegar is so good for your skin. If you have normal and just like normal dry skin, you can use a cucumber toner. I have all the recipes down below. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस खीरे का जूस निकालना है और every week एक नया बैच बनाना है और बस वो ही एक स्प्रे बॉटल में डाल के अपने फेस पे स्प्रिट्स करना है. Every week make a fresh batch of toner and you're good. Now the next step comes using a day cream, a facial moisturizer. I've seen so many people ignore the fact that you need a proper face moisturizer, a face cream. For that, I love this stuff. This is the Mamaearth Natural Radiance Day Cream. Now why do I love it? I'm going to talk about that as well. The first thing is that it has moringa oil and pomegranate extract. Moringa oil is so nice for our skin. I was just doing my research because I wanted to know what is going in my face. So moringa oil has anti-aging properties and it also fights acne and hyperpigmentation. Now since I am still a teenager, I don't think I need any anti-aging things, but skin firming is always good. You can never complain if your skin feels firmer, it's great. But if you're entering your early 20s, if you are in your early 20s 20s, you need something which will also reduce your aging. So an anti-aging thing is a must for everyone who is in the early 20s or mid 20s. The second thing is that this cream and Mamaearth in general is also paraben and silicone free, which is why I've been using so many Mamaearth products lately. So I love this stuff because it's paraben free, more natural. जितना कम आपके स्किन में कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी जाएगी उतना बेटर है. Third is, it's not just a day cream, it is a day cream with SPF of 20 and it also has UVA and UVB protection. I have done a whole video about sunscreens, I'll link it up here, you guys can go watch it. UVA और UVB together is a great formula and कितनी बार होता है कि हम पहले मॉइस्चराइजर लगाते हैं फिर हम सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं and it becomes too greasy. This is an all-in-one product, इसमें day cream भी है, so you will get moisturization and sun protection which lasts, I feel like this cream lasts on my skin for easily 5 to 6 hours. Which is great. But now I go to the other factor of this cream, which is it's non-greasy. If you see the formula of this cream, first of all it has a pump, so I'm super happy about that. But if you just see one pump of this, the consistency is great. If you rub it into your skin like this, you see कि 1 मिनट में आपके पूरे स्किन में absorb हो जाता है and it's totally non-greasy. बिल्कुल भी greasy नहीं है. It is not चिपचिपा at all. जब मम्मा मेरे मुंह पे क्रीम लगाती थी मैं इतना कंप्लेन करती थी कि है कितना ज़्यादा greasy और चिपचिपा है. But this cream is not greasy at all. Alright, so that is it for the day CTM. Now let's jump on to the night CTM. Again, CTM remains the same, but the products that we use become different. So at night I like to double cleanse. You can use anything. I like to use a micellar water. You can use anything, a cleansing balm, a cleansing oil, milk, whatever. I really like using this. You can also use coconut water only, but it's very important for you to take your makeup off, any dust, pollution, grime, anything on your skin off. क्योंकि मैं college जाती हूँ, मैं makeup लगाती हूँ, I do use makeup, so I need a micellar water to clean it all up. I love this stuff. After that's done, you need to double cleanse. For that you need a face wash. The 3 that I use are again the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash, but if I feel like my skin needs more exfoliation, I use the Mamaearth Uptan face wash क्योंकि इसका जो consistency है, if I show you guys, it's very like scrub like. So if you see, इसके अंदर granules है which are very scrub like and I absolutely love क्योंकि इससे मेरी skin exfoliate भी हो जाती है और clean भी हो जाती है. If I don't use any of that, my to-go is my Himalaya Neem face wash as well. So after I'm done with double cleansing, which is very important क्योंकि आप पूरा दिन बाहर होते हो, आपकी skin is exposed to so many bad things, you need to double cleanse. Then comes toner. Toner remains the same, either a thing that you buy or a rose water or cucumber toner or an apple cider vinegar toner. Now comes the last step of the CTM, the night CTM, which is using a good night cream. The one that I've been loving is the Mamaearth Overnight Repair Night Cream. Now for the longest time मेरे को कभी भी मैंने night creams को इतना importance नहीं दिया था because I just used to wash my face and that was it. But that's not how it should be. Using a good night cream is very important. This one I absolutely love particularly is because इसके अंदर collagen है और saffron है. If you ask your mamas, your dadis, they will tell you kesar is so good for your skin and so is collagen. We don't know what collagen is. I'm going to be talking about that. Collagen is a thing that is present all over your upper dermis. So it's everywhere in your skin. Your skin has collagen. But what does collagen do for your skin? It totally firms your skin. और अगर मैं रात को लगाती हूँ, when I wake up in the morning, there's no puffiness in my skin. मैं क्या करती हूँ, थोड़ा सा eyes के अंदर भी लगा लेती हूँ because I wake up with really puffy eyes. So using this all over my face and also under my eyes, मेरे को night cream, eye cream की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. I only use this and I wake up with a very nice glowing skin and it's not puffy at all because इसमें collagen है. वो आपके skin को firm कर देता है and it totally so cell renewal होता है जिसकी वजह से आपका skin बिल्कुल भी puffy नहीं लगता है, which is why I love this. The second reason why I love this is because it's super affordable. This is only for I think $5.99. Yeah, it's only for $5.99 rupees and you get such a huge tube, good packaging, sturdy packaging and a pump. So I feel it's super affordable. Again, it's paraben free, it's silicone free, so it's super natural on your skin as well. Alright, now that we're done with talking about product recommendations and we're done talking about CTM and basically all the products that we had to talk about, let's talk about more natural options and more DIY options. The first thing is a Multani Mitti and aloe vera face mask. Whenever I'm about to hit my period, I get so many breakouts that I need to control For that, my to-go face mask is a multani mitti and aloe vera gel face mask. All of this is very natural. I don't go and use store-bought aloe vera or store-bought multani mitti face mask. मैं मुल्तानी मिट्टी का एक टब लेके आती हूँ और उसके अंदर मैं प्लांट से निकाल के एलोवेरा स्कूप आउट करके उसको अच्छे से मिला के एक पेस्ट बनाती हूँ, which I put on my face, and 30 minutes I keep it and then wash it off, and it really helps me with the breakouts. मुल्तानी मिट्टी is so good for any clogged pores. सेकेंड DIY इज़ द घर का उपटन जो सारी मम्माएँ अपनी बच्चियों को लगाती हैं. बेसन, हल्दी, टी ट्री ऑयल एंड दही, इन सबको आप मिक्स करो. आई हैव ऑल द एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट्स डाउन बिलो. यू मेक एन उपटन आउट ऑफ बेसन. बेसन इज सो गुड फॉर योर स्किन एंड सो इज़ हल्दी. हल्दी से आपके सारे स्किन ब्रेकआउट चले जाते हैं. सो इफ़ यू मेक अ उपटन आउट ऑफ दिस एंड पुट इट, आपका टैन चला जाता है, आपके यू डोंट हैव एनी एक्ने एनी मोर, एंड इट्स जस्ट ओवरऑल डैम गुड फॉर योर स्किन. एंड द थर्ड थिंग विल बी रॉ हनी. इफ़ यू समवन हु हैज clogged pores and really bad acne, आप क्या करो, just get some raw honey, natural honey, डाबर हनी नहीं, normal natural honey, पूरी फेस पे आप लगाओ and leave it on for like 15 minutes and wash it off. You will see a noticeable difference in your acne and your pimples and your clogged pores. That is all that I had for you guys. I've talked about a lot of products that I love and some natural options as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and this video helped you guys a lot. If you guys want any individual product reviews or if you want me to talk about any more skincare, leave it in the comments below. And I really hope this video helped you guys a lot. All these have really been helping me a lot for my skin personally, and I love how my skin looks. I'm so confident now, and it's just the products and the way I use all the products on my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot, and if you did, you know what to do. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to leave a like if you really enjoyed this video, and if you aren't an audio subscriber of my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel right now. Please help me hit 20,000 subscribers very soon. And if you guys are already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing, but you can also go and hit the notification bell button so that you guys are notified every time I post a new video. All the product links and all the recipes of all the uptans will be down below. You guys can go check the description box as well, and I shall see you guys next time very soon. Bye. This uptan is also suitable for guys. You guys, if any guys watching, you can also use this uptan because it's super nice. It removes your tan, your acne or pimples. और बस बदसूरत शक्ल का इसमें कोई क्योर नहीं है. बाकी आप सब कर सकते हैं, पर बदसूरत शक्ल सॉरी हो नहीं पाएगी. प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करा देंगे, कोई सीन नहीं. फ्री में हूँ. 7 हो चुका है. ओह चैन आ गया. हवा हवाई चैन आए मेरे दिल को. ऐसा करो.